Now you're probably wondering, what? My autonomous isn't simple like that. It doesn't need to go to one place and that's it. No, it needs to do more stuff. It needs to lift objects, move around, and stuff like that. But you don't have to worry, since with Cyan you can create more complicated autonomouses easily. So, let's begin by creating a variable that stores if the first path is active. And let's do it with true, because yeah, it's the first path, it is active. And let's do that with the second one too. But this time it is not active, since two paths cannot be active at once. Let's run this code only and only if path 1 is active. But how do we update it? How do we know if path 1 is finished? Well, there's a method for that, and it's called path.isFinished, isPathFinished. And for the first time in this series, we're going to update the position of the robot manually. So yeah, of course we need to update the tank kinematics and then pass the position of the robot. Now let's do it for the second one too, and let's basically change whenever it says path 1 to path 2. And now we can say that if both paths are not active, so path 1 is not active and path 2 is also not active, we can make out our move. So I guess it would be something like that. And of course update path 2, so if arm motor dot get current position is larger than an arbitrary one, let's just say this one, path 2 is now active. Now I know this is not exactly your autonomous, and I know you might need something more complicated, but it's an idea of how to do this. Now obviously I'm like here to have only two paths. If I had more, I would need to use a more complicated structure, possibly a queue or something. So with that, we have reached the end of our mini series of tutorials. I hope this technology is useful to you and your team. I hope to see some great autonomous read with this library. I hope these 20 minutes were worth your time, and καλή συνέχεια.